Guess who's back? Ang Enes, boy! What's up, chat? Okay. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Boom, 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 Sup, chat? Shum, shum. Balam bam bam balam bam bam. Mini game, yes, chat. Welcome to I don't know. I don't know. Welcome, but yeah, kung may makakapanood neto, kapag may magre-rewatch, welcome, 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 welcome to to my YouTube channel. YouTube. Today, nandito tayo sa ano, sa Hypixel. Yon, Hypixel, galing. Nandito tayo guys sa Hypixel. Yon, if you can see. Don't manifado, you know what I mean? Doing our stuff, you know. Got it, my friend. Okay. Dito, oh, what the freak? Ay! Yon, I'm back. Okay? Not totally, but I'm live dito sa aking second channel. Even though na hindi naman ako, even though na wala naman nanonood dito, but may mga nakaraan, may mga nanonood naman, but yeah, thankful na rin ako doon. But ngayon ay, shame, so teleport ako kung saan. Okay, bawal na pala yon. Bawal na pala yon. Yan. Nasa Halloween special tayo guys ng Hypixel, yon, takti na yan. Mas gusto ko pa rin yung dating hub nila, I'll be honest with you. Hindi ko gusto yung bagong hub na to. Malawak siya, men. Masyado siyang nasa futuristic era ng mga server, yung mga castle sa paligid, yung parang castle team na mga ganto, ganyan. Yon, tapos nandito yung hub, nandito yung minigame, ganto. But yeah, for today ngayon ay maglalaro lang naman tayo ng murder mystery. Malalaman natin guys kung magaling pa ba tayo maglaro ng murder mystery. Hindi natin sure, hindi natin alam, hindi natin malalaman kung hindi natin susubukan. And I thank you. Bro, I'm tweaking. Okay. Just ko lang yung volume ko sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung maganda. Malamang hindi naman talaga maganda yung microphone ko. As usual, di ba? As usual, di ba? No. As usual thing. So, gawin ko na lang 55 to. Hindi, 53? 54, yeah, yan. Tapos ito naman, okay. Sobrang lakas naman yata ng microphone ko na yan. Bakit nagaganyan? Yan. Yan. Ay, shems. Bumaba ka. 70. Ayun, nag-mic test sa live stream. Ang baliw din eh. Yan, 80. Yan. 28 yan. So ngayon, maglalaro nga tayo ng murder mystery. Nasaan na ba yung murder mystery? House, Duo, Skywars, Bedwars, Sky, Wool Game, murder mystery. Yan. Ngayon, check lang natin. At alam kong sobrang lag ko sa murder mystery and or let's say dito sa Hive. Okay? Lalaro tayo. Yo, nakita ko ng gantong parang wings na sa... Bro, wag kang kumidlat. Uling nakakita ko ng wings na ganito if I remember kay Brandon Crafter sa ano eh. Sa video nila. Okay. Ako pala yung mag-isa. Ako pala yung... Yeah, pumasok ng dalawa. Yo! So, I think makikita naman nila yung mga naka-essential din. Okay, alam ko may mga naka-essential din dito sa server na to. Yan if I remember. Basta kung may mga naka-essential nga din naman, makikita din naman nila yung cape ko. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, innocent, man. Innocent. Oh, watcha na yan. Bye! Ang ganda ng hiding spot ko, man. Pero, pag natin nabasuhin niya, mabad tayo dyan pag dyan tayo nag-AFK eh. Okay, pingit na itong, oh, yung kita skin niya, not gonna lie, bro. Okay, may namatay na. Pero I feel like hindi naman yung mga nasa malapit sa akin ngayon. Ibang mga person, ibang person yung ano, killer man. Ibang person yung killer man. Ibang person. Di abot yun, man. I hope ibang person. Okay, hindi siya. Kasi narinig niya may death sound pero hindi siya yung walang namatay sa amin or like hindi ako pinatay niya, men. So, ibig sabihin niya hindi siya yun. But that's good to know. I just wanna find out kung sino yung okay. You, dun ka. I don't trust you. Baka mamaya you backstab me. Okay, we have 3 coins na kagad. Okay, mayroong body dito. Dalawang body dito, men. Watch, pwede pala magtago dito, men. Gagi, pwede rin na mag-precam but I don't want to, bro. I'ma get banned or something like that, bro. You know? You can just hang out over here. Kaso nga lang, may chance mo makita niya eh. Like kapag tumagal, may nakikita ako sa mapa or like yung mga players, nearby players sa mapa, men. Yun yung advantage ng mga killer or murderer. Bro, I don't know if appropriate yung word na yan dito sa YouTube, but okay. There's 6 left na lang. And I feel like that Alex one is the murderer. Yeah, I feel like that's the the murderer. I want to get the bow, bro, para we can kill that person. Okay, I trust dito itong dalawa pati yon. So parang narinig ko yung death sound but hindi ko nakitang ay narinig ko yung death sound pero malapit sila sa akin. So I feel like I can trust them. Kahit this round. Ah, fucking hell, I knew it. Pagkakatiwala ko yung dalawa na yon. Oh my god, bro, that scared the crap out of me. Hey, dog, we win though. Oh my god, the murderer get killed. We win though. We win. Oh my. Wait, oh yeah, we win. Talagang tagal lang mag-loading. We win though. Yeah, that's cool. Let me... Yep, okay, medyo maganda nga yung audio ko sa ano. So, we win though, okay. That's awesome, okay. Gold, okay. We're getting gold. Bro, it's... Oh my god, bro. I'm the first one who died. Oh my goodness. Oh, yo, that was disrespect. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, nang-rabid siya. Well, he died though. We win. Ba't ako yung unang namatay, man? What the fudge? Ayoko na namatay. Ay, kumakain ako ng ube ngayon. Tatalon sana ako dun eh. Gusto ko sana mag-camp doon. Nakita ko suspicious yung movie niya. Kaya tatalon dapat ako. Pero po dyan namatay naman ako. Ano bang map to? Farm? Ato Cutler. Hindi ko ma-pronounce yung name. Yeah, bro. I don't know how to pronounce the name though. But it's a farm. It's a farm. It is what it is. But if I remember this game, pag marami ka kagad nakuha ang gold, you can get a bow. So, oh, the detective died. Okay, that's a RIP moment. Okay, I'm watching you, bro. I'm watching you, bro. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong ilan gold ang mo kailangan bago makakuha ng bow. But, alright, so I got 9 gold, 10 gold. Okay, nice. I have the arrow, okay. Okay, we're going top ulit. We're going top ulit. We're going top ulit. We're going top ulit. Let me get this, ano. Let's go. Let me. Okay, that's way too close. Oh, wait, what? They killed it? God dang, bro. Wala akong ginagawa. That's a GG. That's a GG, man. That's a GG. Wait a minute, bro. When you may start, kakain pa ako ng ube. Okay, wait lang. Hindi ko pa nakuha yung earphone ko. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Akit muna tayo sa taas. Akit muna tayo sa taas. Okay. I don't have my earphone. I can't hear. Oh, gold. Don't mind if I do. I can't hear anything. Okay? Just wait a minute. Oh, they're using Axiom. Not bad. Oh, shit! Well, that's the sound of death. That's the sound of death. Mm-hmm. Yup, I don't trust that shit. Oh, the attempt. Oh, oy, hey, yo, chill, bro. Chill, bro. Attempt. the Bakit hindi mo? Oh, okay, I'm back. Wait, I'm the detective. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up, bro. Bro, I'm the detective. Wait a minute. Hindi ko nakita, man. Oh my. Oh yeah, you're dead. Oh yeah, you're dead. You're dead. Mm-hmm. Hindi ko nakita. Ako yung detective. Oh my goodness. Oh, shems. Well, 44.44% that I'm the murderer and detective. So, may chance na maging detective or murderer talaga ako. Bro, may celebration pa talaga ng sound ng murder win. Okay, I'm the dumbest detective. Oh, shame. Okay. 9%. 9%. Detective. A murderer. I want to be the murderer, man. Oh, fucking hell, bro. Okay, I regret everything what I said, bro. Like, I'm just saying, you know what I mean? Like, man, I want to be the murderer, man. I want to murder. You know? Di pa nakaka-murder ng tao, man. Yung naging murder ako, man. First game pa lang talo na. Bro, I want to be with a goddamn murder. No cap, bro. No cap, bro. Okay, etong tao na to, hindi ko alam kung pagkakatiwalaan ko to, but okay. I'm just going to follow this guy, bro. I think someone's died behind. Yup, someone died behind. Yup, someone died. Yup, yup, died. Dead. Where's a death sentence? Yes. Behind us. Yup, dead. Yup, dead. Dead. Yes, sir. Never. You're the murderer. I swear, you're the murderer. Okay. Akala ko pag pass by namin, I'm just, okay, ito yon. Or ito yon. Yeah, oh yeah, okay. I'm way too cautious, bro. I need to be cautious as hell, bro. Sabi na nga, be! Kaya pinindot ko yung ano, men, hindi napindot. Men, hindi napindot. Bro, I knew it. Ay, what the flip, bro? Okay. Bro, you can do it, man. I believe on you. I believe on you. Run for your goddamn life, bro. I believe on you, Steve. You can do it. You have the strength. You have the power. Hey, girl, get the hell out. Steve, run for your goddamn life. Girl, you're dead. Steve, you're dead. Oh, okay. You're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb. So, sino? Well, I tried, okay? I tried to kill that guy, okay? So, I tried to, close this goddamn door na hindi naman napindot yung gininyan ko. Right click ba? Oh, right. Fucking, I'm dumb, bro. Okay, kinilik ko, hindi right click. Oh, dang, we won, though. We won, though. We won, though. At least we won, though. Okay, 18% that I'm the murderer. Okay, this is more like it. This is more like it. This is what I want, man. I want to be the murderer, man. I want to. Man, give this to me, man. Give this to me, man. Give this to me, man. Give this to me. I want it. I want it. I'm hungry for it. Flip! Seriously. God damn it. I want to be the murderer. Tapos hindi niya binibigay sa akin to, man. Like, come on, man. This is the opportunity. What is your order po? Okay, that ang narinig ko. That's a bad sign. Well, I think it's par naman. Hey, champ. Hey, champ. Oh, what the heck, bro, are you doing there? Samahan nga natin to. Hey, man. Hey, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Ma'am. Naririnig ko po yung death everywhere. No, go. God damn it! Sabi na, I said go. Cause I knew it. He's the murderer. Oh my goodness. Why, bro? I can't trust women. Even in this game, bro? Seriously? I can't trust a woman even in this goddamn game? What the heck? Okay, besides my friend, bro. Besides my friend Ashley and Hikari, bro. I can trust them as Flip, bro. It's a saying. The saying. I can trust them. I can trust them, goddamn thing. You know what I mean? I can trust them. Besides the other woman. Yeah. Last, yup. Nice try. Eh, no cap, bro. Ang galing ng woman na yun, man. I'm not going to lie to you, bro. Okay. Give me this. Give me this opportunity, man. The opportunity of oh, God damn it. Bihira na nga lang maging detective. Bihira pa maging murderer, bro. I think for the longest time na naglalaro ako na itong Hive na to, or Hypixel, hindi pa ako naging murderer even one single time. Oh, naging murderer but one time only. Oh, wait a minute. Is this a museum? Ba't ako maapak sa mga altipak? Basta. I just heard that. Okay, I just can hear that. I'm using V8. So, it's V8 sound card. So, that's why hindi ko naririnig left and right. Pero, yung converter ko, paparating na yun. So, yeah. Okay. I'm just running for my life. Ethan, just run for your life. Don't look back. Don't. Okay, what the fuck, boy? Ba't ako nag-look back? What the fuck? Shit. Okay, I'm dead. I just levitate like this. Man, I can see the sword, bro. Nakita ko niya yung sword, man. Ba't pa ako nagpa... Oh, shit. You're dead. Meh. Meh. What the fuck? Meh. Bro. Para pwede na pala bumaril to, man. Zigzag, my friend. Zigzag, left, right, left. Oh, god damn, bro. What a dodge, my man. Sumorkat yung ano. Ayun namin, namahabol namin. Ay, yo, run for your goddamn life. Run. He's dead. Mali pa rin dinaanan to. Or for the hacking case sake. Or for the hacking goddamn sake. Run for your fucking life. Run for your life. Yup, he's the murderer. Up, you're dead. Oh, dang, bro. What a dodge. Okay. Lumiko, umikot. Yup. Oh! Okay. Hey, yo, what the clutch? God damn! God damn! Hey, wait, what the flip? Bro, ba't ako nasa railway? Okay. What the clutch ba, my man? Oh, this goddamn thing is the murder. Okay. Bakit magsuot din kaya ako ng ganyang damit, no? Like, lahat ng skin ko may gawin kong black. You know what I mean? Tapos, parang akong ninja. You know what I mean? Yeah! Yeah! Ninja, man! Ninja! Yeah! I'm a ninja! Yung gawin ko na lang sa skin ko, no? Just what if lang naman. You can try it, no? Wala naman mawawala, pero ano tayo sa sa block bench nandun, get ang ko na lang. So, yeah. Yeah. No cap, I'm telling you what. Murderer! Yes! Fudge! Yes! God, bro, this is the first time, bro. Okay, finally, yung ano na yun, counter na yun, man. I'm very, very, very goddamn happy, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Shit, nakita nila ako. I'm lag. Okay, I just lag. Just lag out. Okay. Shems bro, pinahabol niyo pa ako. Okay bro! Oh, I'm tweaking. My menu. My menu. My menu. My menu. Wait, what? Wait lang, mamaya ako nababasahin yun, men. No! What? God dang! Oh my god, bro. At least we killed a lot, okay? We killed a lot. Watchdog has been banned. 1,000 ay hindi 11,778 players in the 7 days. Staff has banned an additional 12,400 in the last 7 days. Blacklist, modify ban. Ano to? Pick bench A8 and YTG bro. I'm scared for my life, bro. Okay. Is a full joyful jumper. It's 8. Bro, they're exposing me, bro. Oh my god, bro. Seriously? Exposing me? Oh! Okay, that guy. Yup, nakita ko yung sword, man. Nakita ko yung sword. That guy. Okay, that guy. Yeah, nakita ko yung sword, man. Nakita ko yung sword. I feel like siya yun. Yeah. God, bro. I'm lagging. Sorry, I'm lagging so bad. Check nga natin yung chat nila. Oh, wait, what? I have 5 kills, okay? 5 kills. Talagang linaglag nila ako dun, men. What the heck? Oh my god. Nilaglag talaga nila ako dun, men. Why? Oh my god, what did I do to you? Hindi naman ako linaglag. What the flap? Oh, shit. Ang gaspang nila, men. Ang gaspang nila, lalaglag ako. Full bar ako, but yeah, I'm lagging. Innocent, yep, as usual, same bro. Nothing changed. Nothing will change, as usual thing. No matter if I do. Oh, gold. I just saw my death. You are a piece of shit. You're dead. Okay, it's time naman to laglag it. It's the red guy. It's the red guy, man. It's the freaking red guy. Oh my god. Murder. Murder. What the fuck, bro? Ay, yo. Ay, nasa loob na isang mansion. The heck? Murder. Bro, I'm tweaking. Bro, I'm tweaking. It's the red guy. Dude. Ayan, ayan, yan, yan. Black and red guy. It's the black and red guy. Black and red guy. Man, I'm telling you, the black and red guy, dude. The black with the red skin guy. This is the murderer. This is the crazy guy murderer. Okay. Yerp. He's dead. Yerp. Bruh, it's the red and black guy, dude. Oh, dang, bro. We won, though. That hurt. We won, though. We won, though. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. We won, though. Don't be suspicious. 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 Ding, 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 ding. Okay, I want to be a parang murderer. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Where? Okay, don't be suspicious. 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 Bro, okay. Oh shit. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Okay, you're safe. Both of you are safe. You bet. I bet you going to die. He killed me though. Why? What did I do? Ayun yung araw mo. Ayun yung araw, man. What the heck? Kita-kita sa katawan niya. Well, who's the murderer? Confused. Confused. Oh. Yeah. What if gawin kaya natin to, no? Like, this kind of build terraform sa Badlands, man. I feel like I want to do this shit, man. You know, do this area. Yeah, I want to do this. Come on, survival, let's pray, bro. Okay, this black guy is the freaking murderer. Okay. This black skin guy, yep. No, he's not. Nakita kong habang hawak niya. Mahaba. Yeah, ano yung hawak niya kanina? I'm so confused. What the flap ba? Ano yung... Oh, okay. My dead body is here. My dead body is here. My dead body is here. Okay. Oh. Okay, they're in the... Okay. This girl never trust a woman. Never. GG's. Never. I'm not going to trust a woman once again, bro. Never again. Never again. Never again. Never again. Wait. May bedrock ba ako sa ano? OBS? I feel like meron naman, but I don't think so. If meron, I'm going to play. Yeah, meron. Nag-launch na yung bedrock, man. What the flop, bro. Ang dami nila naka 15th anniversary Minecraft cave, bro. Ba't nabigyan yung mga taong hindi naman ganun katagal na naglalaro ng Minecraft, bro? I'm so confused, bro. Like, yung mga account na may iba dyan, bago lang yan, pero may pinayagan nila mga ako. Dapat yung mga account na sobrang tagal na. Kaya ako na-admit ko, hindi naman sobrang tagal na itong account ko, pero what to get some snow, bro? Oh my god, yung murder, yung kanina. Yung innocent kanina. Oh shit, may narinig akong death. Oh my god, death. I'm the detective out of nowhere, bro. I'm the freaking detective out of nowhere. Oh man, I'm not good at this shit. Okay. Let me get this. What? What? You fucking idiot, bro. Yeah, I'm going to bedrock. Psych! We're going to bedrock, man. Doon tayo mag-hash. Man. Doon tayo mag-hash. There we go. There's bedrock. Dito tayo mag-hash, man. Wait, what? Ano na to? Feature. Wait, what? Ano to? Ano to? New kind of server? What kind of server is this, bro? Anong bagong server to? What? I'm so confused. Dragon. Oh, wow. Okay, the loading. What the? Nasa featured dragons? What the heck is this server? Like, I'm so confused. What? This is illegal. This is freaking illegal. It's circle. It's a freaking circle. It's illegal. It's illegal. Wait, what the flip? Bro, it's illegal. Okay, kailangan pa bumili. What the frick, bro? No, thank you, man. But, new server? Wait. Yeah, it's a new server. Oh, wow. It's a new server. Featured. I hope naman hindi kagaya ito ng dating server na may parang natanggal ngayon yung paid na server, something like that. I hope it's free. Paano maglaro, man? I want to try it. Explore the freaking world, bro. You know, wala namang mawawala kung hindi naman natin susubukan, pero yeah. Oh. Hello? How to play this game, bro? Thank you. My pleasure as my name. That is just a mystery. Like the hindi ko pa tinabasa like the form might say. Awesome, thank you. Yeah. Yep. Bro, I'm so confused how to freaking play this game, bro. Hindi kapag medyo talaga mga complicated shit yun nandito talaga natin kailangan i-search sa YouTube. Si YouTube ang maasahan natin dito, men. Si YouTube ang pwede natin kausapin. Oh, you don't have access to Dragon yet. Get access now. Is this paid? Ah, fudge! I knew it. This server is a scam. Fudge, bro. Walang maglalaro dito. I'm telling you what, no one's going to play this game kasi kagaya lang to ng dating server, man, na parang paid or something like that. This is not going to be okay, okay? Kasing hype, man. So, ang ganda ng server na to, man. Legit. Pero mas malapit, man, yung hype sa Java and Bedrock, man. Iisang handler lang ang nag-handle ng Java and Bedrock na Hive, but tinigil nila yung sa Hive, and sa Java yung nila, tinuloy nila, ay Bedrock ang tinuloy nila. Shems. Are we going to crack? Are we going to crack? Or hiatus play lang muna, man. Okay, so we need 8 more kills to get the 600 mark. So let me do it. Don't mind if I do to try it, do it. You know what I mean? So Razer mouse, try natin, man. I feel like hindi maganda tong ships. I feel like hindi maganda tong mouse na to pang PvP legit. It's an expensive mouse, but it's a trash in PvP, man. It's a trash, literally trash, man. Trash. It's a trash. For PvP, it's a trash mouse. Wala akong makukuha matinong FPS or CPS, I don't know. Mamigay tayo. Okay. Madali na pala sila. Never mind, bro. Hindi na tayo pala mamimigay. Sana, magmamadali na sila. I just need helmet. Oh yeah. We're gonna for sure get that shit. Bro, what the auto click? From the start, man. Ang bilis niya maglagay ng block. Gumanon. Truth ace to the start, man. Auto click. What the fuck? And at the same time, di rin ako magaling sa mouse na to mag PvP. So, and it's way too big, bro. But okay lang yun, sakop naman yung buong kamay ko. So, maganda din. Mas gusto ko may medyo malaki yung mouse pero sakop yung buong kamay ko. Para nakakapag-rest ng maayos. Ayoko na, talon ka na lang. Bistay. Na bad trip. Akin yan, men. Let's go. Okay. Okay, munti ka na mamatay doon, I'll be honest with you. Oh, red. Okay, red is cracked. Well, it's my teammate though. Ah! What the fuck? Ano problema? Utusan pa. Kainis. Ay, ano bang friend natin ng online? Wala. Minor. I just killed that guy way too easy. Easy game. Easy game, bro. Ooh, diamond. Oh, Shems. Ah! Oh my god, hindi kagad umaangat yung mouse ko. Yun yung kinakairat ako lang kay Razer, man. Sa Razer mouse ko ngayon. Pag pinipindot ko siya, nang maliitan na angat lang ng daliri, hindi niya na detect. Na niya lang, parang nakahiga lang siya. Parang nakalong press lang. Wala pa tayo sa mag PvP, men. Ito na. Ginamit ko na yung hindi ko ito yung mouse na to, hindi to Razer, guys. So dito ako hype mag PvP dito eh. I can kill everyone and anyone dito. Even yung friend ko na naghamon sa akin ng PvP. I destroyed him using this using this web. Huh? Ayun ulit nakakita nitong using this. Okay, go! Okay. Oh. Nagulat naman yung drop niya. Oh, don't mind if I do. Psych! Yadaramanda! History book! Ang layo ng range naman nito. Ang duga naman. Ang layo ng range! Ano yun? Play nyo na yan! Ang layo ng range! Anong klase yun? What the fudge? Oh. No! Fucking again, bro. Ang duga! Ang layo ng range! Ano yun? What the fuck? Yoko sa lobby na to, men. Ang duga! Ang layo ng range niya, sobra! Ako, siya hindi ko naaabot, pero ako abot na abot niya. What the heck even is that? 5 years WTW veteran. Wow. Tapos level 3 pa lang. Try ko nga 1v1. Oh my god, bro. Galaw, men. Yup, wala ka talaga sa mood mag-PVP pag ganun. Kain. Audeng. Yerp. Let's go! That's what I want! Hmm. Sabay balik sa hub. Sabay balik sa hub. 4 kills. 4 kills. Iyo! Iyo! Edge! Oh my god, bro. Hindi ko nakita yung chat niya, man. Hindi ko nakita yung chat ni EU, ni Edge. EU! EU o EU? Ano ba? Uh, 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 Oh, Shem, sayang. 3 hearts. Kung na-combo ko lang siya ng onte. Areglado sana tayo doon. But, respect to my man! Naka-diamond armor kagad siya. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Dito nakakuha ng win streak na game ngayon I can see the diamond there. May plastic. Ayun lang, wala tayong chest plate, men. Okay. Oh, okay, there's a savior. That's a savior. Shems. Iniisip ko lang pumasok agad. Ang galing. Oh! I'm gone. I'm gone. Okay. Yeah. I think that's where today's episode started. Don't forget to like, comment. Wait. I think that is for today's live stream. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell, guys. For notify whenever I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out. What the flop? Oh my god, bro. Okay. Peace out.